Hi, this is Brian with Rocky Mountain Snow Guards, and today we're going to be going over the S-5 E-clamp. So the E-clamp is used to connect ColorGard snow fence to standing seam metal roofs. And in particular, this is going to fit on a European style double fold seam as long as the horizontal dimension is less than half of an inch. It uses two set screws that will fasten into the side here. Typically the torque rating is going to be between 11 and 15 foot-pounds of torque. It's going to connect to the snow fence using a VersaClip and an M8 bolt that will fasten on the top here. All minor boxes of clamps are going to come with S-5's installation instructions. These are helpful with installation tips as well as the actual torque rating. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Our email address is info@rockymountainsnowguards.com and our phone number is 720-379-7756. Thank you.